Hi everyone, my name is Shailesh Nalawadi. I'm the head of product at Sendbird, and these are some of my thoughts on the future of customer communications. So in-app chat has primarily been about connecting two or more people having conversations within a mobile app. But the evolution that I see happening over the next few years is more and more of the business messaging that is currently being done by email or by SMS will now be incorporated into the in-app experience. So in-app chat is going to evolve to be more than just chat, but actually be a message center for most brands. Ensuring a safe conversation that's free of objectionable content is top of mind for many of our customers. Recently, we started working with a customer that had a huge spike in user messages. They were in the sports and fantasy sports space. We work with them to deploy a moderation system that actually involves both AI-based detection as well as human moderation working in concert. So there's a AI-based detection system that will flag a content, and if it's of questionable or if it meets a certain quality score, then it gets kicked off to moderators who review it and issue a final verdict. So bringing together both Sendbird's human moderation system along with an AI system at the front that was providing an early score helped this customer ensure the safe conversation, but also led to them actually not having to staff up a lot of moderators to support a huge spike in their usage. Real-time communication, particularly when it's delivered in-app, can be a critical part of creating upsell flows. I'll take an example of healthcare. Sendbird has many customers in the healthcare vertical, and one of the most important things that drives engagement and retention actually is avoiding no-shows. So using real-time communication, many of our healthcare customers make sure that the customers are well aware of the appointment and create examples, create opportunities for customers to be able to notify them if they are either delayed for an appointment or are unable to come to an appointment. That reduces cancellations, and if it's done early enough, allows the provider to find another patient to fill in the slot. Sendbird actually has many customers in on-demand and phone delivery. And one of the most interesting ones we saw, not particularly radical, but there was a desire to actually have a chatbot automatically contact a customer whose order was delivered was a few minutes late, and have the chatbot engage with the customer to issue a refund and make sure that they were satisfied and that they were made whole as a result of this slight delay. Yeah, businesses have spent the last 10 years building amazing mobile experiences. So almost anything you want to do with a business can happen now within the mobile application. And taking this to the next logical conclusion, communications, which are increasingly part of the user journey and how customers and businesses come together to get things done, happening over in-app is going to lead to a sea change in how customers work with their favorite brands, get things done, receive communications, and coordinate between themselves and the brand. A common misconception with omnichannel is that you have to communicate to your users everywhere where they are present. An example of that would be you send the same message over a text message, over email, and as a push notification in your app. But that's not true. If you could actually coordinate omnichannel, you can actually choose the right channel to send for each message given the circumstances. And Sendbird has systems that allow you to actually send a message on the best channel and have you make decisions based on which is the channel that they're most likely to respond to. Communication between a business and a customer is often really critical because there are multiple user journeys where a customer and a business are coordinating together in executing a transaction. Making sure that messages that are part of this user journey get delivered in a timely manner and that the end user can respond to them quickly and accurately is actually more and more critical. In Sendbird, we work with customers in on-demand food delivery where the criticality of the communication actually has a huge impact on a successful transaction. So I'd say that more so now, and particularly given the fragmented environment that most customers have with communications, it's really critical to have seamless communication designed from the very beginning between a business and its end consumers. Over the last 5 years, financial services firms have started to use text messaging to keep customers appraised of the status of certain transactions. The hidden issue there is that these text messages coming from our trusted financial institutions often come from unknown 5-digit numbers, creating an opportunity for customers to fall for what we call SMS phishing, which is messages that appear to be from trusted financial institutions, but are really not quite that case and become vectors for fraud. With in-app chat, we actually circumvent all of those issues by using your mobile application as a primary method of communicating and sending urgent updates to your customers. Now, because it's your mobile app and your messages and your notifications are coming from your mobile app, they are inherently way more secure and way more authenticated than the same message coming via text message from an unknown 5-digit number. So going forward, it is really important for financial services firms particularly to think about using a trusted and verified and secure channel to send these urgent and important updates to their customers. One of the most significant improvements in the in-person healthcare experience in the last few years has been reminder alerts. Reminder alerts are a great way to get notified about upcoming appointments that you may have forgotten that you had scheduled. And it's a great way for the healthcare providers as well to make sure that they are fully utilized all of the appointment slots and to find ways to fill slots that maybe become empty on the short notice. However, rolling out these text messaging alerts comes at a price. And we have customers that spend upwards of $500,000 to $1 million a month sending appointment reminder alerts. In-app chat is actually a great way to push the same kind of appointment alerts. However, you don't incur the cost of text messaging because it's actually done through the mobile app and it comes from a trusted source, which is your mobile app issuing a notification on your smartphone. So in many ways, in-app chat is a superior and actually more efficient way of sending appointment alerts from your healthcare provider to you.